Today, we're going to talk about one of the oldest and most powerful natural remedies, apple cider vinegar. In this video, we'll explore the history of apple cider vinegar and the amazing benefits it can offer. Apple cider vinegar has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for a variety of ailments. It is made by fermenting crushed apples, which creates acetic acid, the active compound that gives apple cider vinegar its unique sour taste and beneficial properties. The use of vinegar dates back to ancient times. It was used in Egypt over 5,000 years ago as a food preservative and was also mentioned in the Bible as a seasoning and a medicine. In ancient Greece, Hippocrates, the father of modern medicine, used vinegar to treat wounds and various illnesses. During the Middle Ages, vinegar was used to treat everything from the plague to stomach aches, and even as a beauty tonic for the skin and hair. In the 18th century, apple cider vinegar became a popular remedy for sore throats, indigestion, and acne. Now let's look at some of the amazing benefits of apple cider vinegar. First and foremost, apple cider vinegar is rich in acetic acid, which has been shown to lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. This makes apple cider vinegar an excellent natural remedy for those with type 2 diabetes or prediabetes. Another benefit of apple cider vinegar is its ability to aid in weight loss. Studies have shown that taking apple cider vinegar can help reduce body weight, body mass index, BMI, and body fat percentage. Apple cider vinegar is also great for digestion. It can help improve digestion and reduce symptoms of indigestion such as bloating, gas, and stomach cramps. So, how can you use apple cider vinegar to take advantage of its benefits? You can start by mixing 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with water and drinking it before meals. You can also use it as a salad dressing or in cooking. Apple cider vinegar can also be used topically as a natural remedy for acne, dandruff, and sunburn. Simply dilute it with water and apply it to the affected area. We hope you learned something new and will consider adding apple cider vinegar to your diet and beauty routine. As always, be sure to consult with your doctor before making any changes to your health routine. And if you want more information about apple cider vinegar, read the description down below or watch this next video.